Houston 18-wheeler accident attorney. The severity of 18-wheeler accidents. Collisions with 18-wheelers can be life-changing events. The sheer mass and force of these commercial trucks can lead to severe injuries, including spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, broken bones, and even fatalities. Victims of such accidents may face not only physical pain, but also emotional trauma and significant financial burdens. Determining liability in 18-wheeler accidents. One of the complexities of 18-wheeler accidents is determining liability. Multiple parties may be held responsible for the crash, including 1. Truck driver, if the truck driver was negligent, fatigued, under the influence, or violated traffic laws, they could be held liable for the accident. 2. Trucking company. In some cases, the trucking company may bear responsibility if they failed to properly train their drivers, neglected maintenance, or forced drivers to work excessive hours. Three, manufacturers and maintenance companies. If the accident was caused by a defective truck part or inadequate maintenance, the manufacturers or maintenance companies may share liability. Four, cargo loaders. Improperly loaded cargo can cause the truck to become unstable and contribute to accidents.